In this video, I want to make a quick update about the price prediction of Bitcoin. So as you can see here, I have the 1 week chart of Bitcoin, and as you can see, Bitcoin oftentimes it moves following some type of trend line. So as you can see here, the bear market of 2021 from 2023, the Bitcoin price has moved inside these descending channels or trend lines that you can see here, these trend lines here, that we can draw taking into consideration the last swing points of liquidity, the same swing levels of liquidity that the Bitcoin price has in the chart. So if we consider that the price move inside of this channel during the downtrend, during the bear market, we can also consider that the price will move the same during this ascending channel or during the bull side or the bull market. So if we see this trend line here that acted as support right here, this trend line, this major trend line, we see that this is the bottom part of the channel. And now if we draw another trend line from the lows and the highs of the previous bull market, we can see this other trend line here. So in my opinion, this will lead that Bitcoin will go to at least $90,000, and then maybe we can expect a correction again. Why I say that? Because now price action here is indecision, now is bouncing again, has tested the previous lows of this range, this horizontal range, and now seems that Bitcoin is trying to bounce again. Also, I see a lot of bearish news. JP Morgan is saying that Bitcoin is overpriced, and as you should already know, when everyone thinks that the price of some assets, not just Bitcoin but every asset, is overpriced, there is a short squeeze and probably this asset will go up by the law of the contrary sentiment. So this is not financial advice, this is not going to happen, but Bitcoin respected very well and takes into account very well these downtrend channels that forms by the trend lines in the weekly time frame. And also here, when it bottomed at 15k on last December, on December 2023, we can see that it also has respected or has done the next uptrend inside of this ascending channel. Okay, so if we try to project the Bitcoin price into the future following these trend lines, we can expect that at least the Bitcoin price will arrive to $86,000 or $90,000. So that's my prediction based on trend lines. You should already know that horizontal trend lines, the horizontal trend lines has or had more weight in the technical analysis than the oblique or the diagonal trend lines. So these trend lines are oftentimes less respected by the price than the horizontal trend lines. But since the price of Bitcoin is making new all-time highs and we don't have any more horizontal trend lines to base our analysis, I will go with diagonal or oblique trend lines. So this oblique trend line, if we consider this the bottom of the range and this the upper part of the range, we can think that the price of Bitcoin has a lot of, let's say, a lot of room to grow the price and achieve or reach the $94,000 mark or $86,000 mark. This is my humble opinion, this is my analysis based on trend lines. Here I'm not taking into account RSI or volume or any other indicator, just trend lines. And as you can see, or you can prove in the past, Bitcoin has respected very well these diagonal trend lines, has made these movements inside of the channels, this swing liquidity inside of the channels. And yeah, this is going up parabolically, but I think that maybe we can have another leg up to $90,000, and then maybe the price cools down and retest the areas of 50,000 or lower. So that's it for the video. As always, follow me on Twitter, visit my website to see all my free tutorials of my trading system and trading strategy, follow me on Instagram, and we see you on the next video.